Got a new pickup in today from K-Town for You. So I picked up Blackpink light stick and a magazine. So top in the box, K-Town for You. Nicely wrapped. This looks kind of bent, but picked up the Jisoo cover of the Elle magazine. This is from December 2019. There it is on the cover. There's Jisoo on here. There's Jisoo. Yeah, this is the Elle magazine that she's on the cover. Yep. Now let's take a look. The Blackpink official light stick. Very light. Take a look. Comes with the strap. This is Blackpink on there. And here you have it. Blackpink. This is Blackpink right out here as well. That is that. Tells you all the instructions right over here. How to turn it on and off. And yeah. This is the light stick for Blackpink. Just a quick pickup. And got the magazine from K-Town for You. Thank you for watching. see you guys in my next pickup video, and I'll see you guys later. I'm out. Peace.